Good morning. This is a technique to teach parts of piece. Here we have taken the advantage of a drama. With the help of drama we have saying the parts of piece. This is some students of mine from Mukherjee Nagar, Delhi. So I am speaking in English. Anyway, we have discussed previous 8-5 and 10-5. Now we will discuss the drama. The drama has 8 members, that is past of it. And now today we will be continue about that drama. Here in scene, Pintu is there and English teacher, and English teacher is saying to Pintu, who looks after you, who order to your maid servant to do any work? Pintu: my mom, sir. Beside this, I want to tell you, sir. English teacher: tell, don't hesitate. Pintu: my mother is very innocent, like a child like me. She used to say about my badness or goodness, maid servants bad and good, and even her own good and bad to the neighbors. English teacher: then she is like an adverb. Pintu: how, sir? English teacher: a word which modifies verb, that is maid servant, adjective, that is Pintu, and another adverb, that is Sarala herself, in the sentence is called adverb. Could you understand? Say details. Example: here the train is coming slowly. Here the verb coming, and here slowly modifies the verb coming, that is maid servant. So there is Sarala, that is slowly is adverb. Next example. Here another example. Here he is a very, very good boy. Here good is adjective, so that this very is modified the adjective, that is Pintu, so that is adverb. And this very is modified this very, that is Sarala herself. So this is also adverb. Now Pintu is saying, that's wonderful, I understood, sir. In the meantime, enter Jamindar and Ajay, is Jamindar's younger son. Jamindar: Ajay, I became old. I wish to visit all holy places in India. Ajay: to whom do you want to take with you? Jamindar: you have to go with me and a new servant. Ajay: why not my mother, that is wife of Jamindar? Jamindar: no, your mother had already seen all the holy places in India very before. Ajay: why do you want to take me? Jamindar: because the new servant will not be able to follow my order, and you will be always in front of me or between us, as you stay in front of your brother Vijay. Exit Jamindar and Ajay. Then in scene, the Pintu and the tuition teacher. Teacher is saying to Pintu, Pintu, have you heard what they were speaking? Pintu, yes sir. Teacher, then your uncle is like a preposition. Pintu, how sir? English teacher, listen, your uncle Ajay preposition uses to stand in front of your grandfather and your father, and he uses to make a good relation between the servant, that is verb, and others, that is verb. Now definition. Teacher is saying the definition. A word which places before noun or pronoun and makes a relation between the other words in the sentence is called preposition. Here the example. Teacher is saying the example. Here Leela is going to school with me. Here two places before school, that is zamindar, that is noun, and between the servant and the zamindar, that is going and the school. So these two is preposition. And with me, they me, that is it is preposition. Now with stand before the pronoun me, that is Ajay, and makes a relation, so that with also preposition. Pintu. It is exactly correct, sir. I understood very well. Next day we will say more about parts of speech with the help of this drama. Thank you very much.